For 96% of women, being kissed on the neck by their partner is the most favorite things in life. Angry people produce more unique ideas faster than people in any other type of emotional state, according to a study. According to some psychologists, human beings are not capable of being just friends with members of the opposite sex. The only animal that a lion is afraid of is his lady lioness. So if you are afraid of your lady, that means you're a lion. Once you are in relationships, you think it's going to last forever, but in reality, it only lasts as long as you are working for it. If one person stops working, it falls apart. When we are hungry, we buy more unhealthy food when we go shopping. When you fall in love with someone's personality, everything about that individual becomes beautiful. You're 50% more likely to remember something if you speak it loudly instead of reading it multiple times.
Sometimes jealousy is your mind's way of showing you how much you care about someone.